agencies which are advanced and moved into space travel. In your systems, when you achieved zero gravity in a way of repulsion through the mass, you have calculated a slight, and you have to calculate a slight deviation from central system mass field gravitational more than field magnetical. What this means, you have to add to your system a process of limitation, at least to begin with. You decide limitation 100,000, 200,000, 1 million kilometers. Then what you do, you set your gravitational magnetic field to the calculation of that point in space from distance of the Earth. Because your MAGRAPH system is set at 1 million kilometers gravitational magnetic field calculation, somewhere between 1 million to 1.1 million and 9.9 million kilometers, you will find your satellite positioning. Then you have
Hello, Mr. Keshe. Oops. No, I'm here, back on the backup system. So what you have to do, you have to reverse gap gravitational magnetic field plasma to the position where you launched it, which means you will get your system back within few seconds. Then, or you have to adjust your system that at a given position, let's say at 1 million kilometers, you can achieve a balance till through your thoughts you can recall back through the positioning of the entity where you launched the system. This is important for the space scientists who are working on this field and to understand the process. Most of the scientists, most of the problem from now on will be the loss of the launch system. This is the loss of what you call your satellite, your space system, and everything else. So it is important that those who work in this field understand, at least initially to start with, the positioning, magnetic gravitational field. Your governments have this data. The data of position of the gravitational magnetic field at certain distances from the Earth is already has been calculated in previous research. You lock your field strength in the balance between gravitational and magnetic field to the central gravitational system of the system, to the ground zero base, and to the distance point gravitational system. At that point, as you are the controller, as you are the person who have initiated the flight through the operation of the thought, you can reverse process from magnetic to gravitational to balance back at the point of departure. The process is through your thoughts. You reverse. You have to train your line of thoughts. In what field you have accessed the energy transfer, and to what field you withdraw energy transfer in a gravitational magnetic field strength energy, not energy as power, you understand. The remote, what we call line of thought control, is a major breakthrough for these scientists. A number of Eastern scientists have already been working and understand exactly what I'm explaining. In this process, before your flight, try to understand, to focus on a space-time, a space launch, a space gravitational magnetic field, irrespective of gravitational field of the inertia of the land or the position you work on. What this means, you add into gravitational through the field strength, no, not using gas or any liquid gas.
The process is very simple. You have to be able to reverse the line of thoughts in the line of emotion to the line of the transition and transportation and reverse back. This